Three researchers from Mount Kenya University have invented a mobile application dubbed COVID Trace that has the ability to trace people who might have been in close contact with a patient in a 14-day window.
How it works is that if, for example, I happen to contract COVID-19, what the government or the administrator will do at the back end in our other system is that you only need to key in my phone number and instruct the system to do tracing. The system will compare my data, my location and timestamps against all the other people. And if there's an overlap, then the system will automatically generate an SMS.
According to the trio, the application uses a self-testing tool that prompts the users to input their personal data, such as their travel history, in order to determine their COVID-19 status or potential.
Basically, you'll answer some few questions. It's actually 6 questions. And then after answering the questions, the algorithm will tell you if you have a higher risk of getting or contracting COVID-19. The information is based on your, let's say, travel history and also your current scenario. So we expect that people should provide an honest answer so that the recommendation will make sense to them. And if, for example, you have a higher risk of getting or contracting COVID-19, we don't just tell you have a higher risk. We also give you a list of proven recommendation from the ministry that will help you to take further measures.
The application further uses a back-end system, which is a web-controlled portal that can be used by an administrator to track exact locations and timestamps of users, thereby providing real-time locations of COVID-19 patients.
On the administrative portal, it will automatically generate a list of all suspected cases. So the government or the administrator will not have a hard time asking you whom do you come across with. He will automatically follow up that case, follow up from the SMS, because the SMS that you have received, everybody who has been contacted by the system his contacts are also generated by the system on the other end. So the government will just be doing a follow up that on this particular date you receive an SMS. Have you done as you were instructed?
Apart from giving the users instructions on whether to self-quarantine or go for a test, it also alerts the users when he or she gets into close contact with a COVID-19 patient.
After we want to see people who have been in contact for the last 15 minutes or the last 9 minutes. So it's really possible to, using that timestamp and the location stamp, to know how long were these people closer together. Okay, and does that constitute significant risk of transmission?
The innovators now say should the innovation be adopted by the government, it will not only save on cost but also ease the contact tracing process by a huge margin. For TV47, I'm Zainab Mohammed.